And I got 2 more beads on there. I'm just gonna let them fall down. It's an orange and a red one. You just make them go to the end. Then go in right where they end. Pull it tight. And you're gonna go back through. Try to go back through right in line with them. Just like that. Pull it tight. And you go through again. All right, now we're on the last 2 beads. So I got my last 2 beads on. Gonna let them fall. Make sure they're flush. You're gonna go in there. Now after you go through, you're gonna basically do the same thing again. A little bit different though. So you're gonna come out like you're gonna go through those beads one more time. But instead of going through again, you're gonna go out all the beads that you just beaded on, besides the middle bead. You pull it snug, see, just like that. It's a little off, but now you're gonna go in again, like that. And you're gonna come out right underneath it. See, you're gonna go right through. You're gonna come out the bottom, and you're gonna do the same thing going this way, like you did in that pattern. As you can see, I beaded all the way to the end, and I went back through right there. Just like the other side, when you finish it, you go through all the rest of the beads. Oh, except for the last two. Just like that. Pull it tight. Then you're going to go back in. Then you're going to come out. And come out the side, just like that. So after you get done doing that, you're going to go out this way, come back, go out that way, and then you'll start going diagonally. So you'll have 8 total. You'll have up, down, left, and right, and you're going to have diagonal. As you can see, I'm just about finished with the plus. Gotta go in one more time. You pull it tight, just like you did with all the other ones. Make sure it's pulled tight and all the beads are straight. And you're going to go back through all the original ones, just like that. And go back down. So now that you completed up, down, left, and right, now you can start coming out one of these 4 corners and go diagonal. Try to come as close to the center as you can. Then you go diagonal. As you can see, I'm finished with the diagonal ones, just about. So you're going to finish it like you did the other ones. Gonna go all through those. Then when you finish it off, you're gonna go through the bottom. What you're gonna do, you're just gonna go under a couple of those. and then tie a knot. And you're going to go under and tie a knot again. After you tied the second knot, just take your scissors, cut close to it, and you're done with the beading part.